Information technology. These words have a great deal to us. We have many benefits. We can talk through the 1,000 miles, buy products without leaving our homes or workplaces, sometimes even get degrees from the web. Yeah. Especially within AI, we got many benefits as individuals, as governments, as businesses, but all these benefits are not that free. They all come at costs. And mostly this cost is cybersecurity, cyber threats, but due to today's event subject, we're going to be talking about the propaganda and disinformation issues. Things that will eradicate even more, especially with the AI help, in the wrong hands. In this event, we're going to be presenting this website, which made possible with the help and support with Republic of Poland's embassy in Georgia as a NATO contact point embassy. Special thanks to my team. Without you guys, this would never be possible. To those who are not aware about CASE, we have 4 pillars that we work on. This is the education at first, innovations, security, and community building. So we have been inspired by Russia-Georgian war in 2008. Personally, I was working in one of the security companies as a contractor of Ministry of Defense, and I have witnessed the inability for us to defend ourselves in this new emerging domain, which is called cybersecurity. And later on, we have also indicated that there is no studies and schools and trainings about intelligence, counterintelligence, anti-terrorism, and this was a huge gap for us. We needed to close as soon as possible, and we tried our best to do so. And after 15 years of successful experience teaching law enforcement, military, corporations, students, diplomats, people from all walks of life, we are here to introduce some of our core directions. So, as I've told you before, the 15 years of experience, we have recognized Golden Seal certification that is industry recognized in Georgia, and not only, we have our own custom-built training programs about the topics like intelligence and cybersecurity. We were the first and only organization in the Caucasus region who have introduced the cybersecurity education, and actually the word cyber. And after that, we have emerged to bigger umbrella with digital services, solutions, and some analytical activities, like the first cybersecurity book in Georgia. We are also contributing actively in international dialogue about cybersecurity, about exposing Russian intelligence and cyber intelligence capabilities actively. We have been the 3rd organization in the world who has exposed the Russian influence tactics in the US elections during 2016. And as an academia, we try to educate as much people as possible to change the view and change the landscape, maybe even shift the mindsets to more secure and brighter future. And for that purpose, we conduct trainings on the topics that have never been available before. And with the support of partners, we have launched the special website along with the free course about propaganda and disinformation issues. I'm briefly going to be exploring the core features about the website that we have spent a lot of time to develop. The design is exclusively serves for simplicity, to make it easy access for those who wonder about propaganda. We also have some blogs and content management modules that helps us to have even more vectors of communication. We are trying to design our systems in a way to focus on community building, to make students and participants engaged, and also the pretty intense testing and evaluation module with online certification. This is how it looks, but I encourage you to, after this session, try out the propaganda.ge. This is the website we are talking about, and I'm going to be more than happy to assist you if you have any question about that. Of course, we have also designed the mobile version, as most of the traffic comes on the mobile devices in today's world. And the process is actually very simple. We're going to be starting from registering, just to verify your mobile and email that is needed for us to make sure that you are not cheating with the test results. Then you'll be able to watch all the lessons which I'm going to be exploring later on. There will be reading materials. That is optional. There will be a quick test to make sure that you have learned the subject. And after passing the test, you will grant the certificate. The content is divided to the subjects and very short videos, which is very easy to digest and understand. And also with every training session, you got quite intense visuals. Thanks to our graphical team, we have recorded the interviews of our experienced instructors. And along with every session, you will be able to get the PDF readings specifically for that sessions. And if you would prefer, you can also just skip the videos and go straight forward to the paper and read all the materials. And after that course, you will be able to pass the exam, hopefully. Then your PDF certificate will be directly sent to your inbox. So this is actually what I wanted to introduce. If you have any questions, I will be more than happy to answer them. The platform and the course itself was specifically made for Georgians, at least for now. But as an organization, we actively contribute to other training platforms, and some of our trainings are and will be available on third-party services. Mostly, it will be hosted on the websites too. So this one, unfortunately, is only limited to Georgian, as this was the target audience. Hope you're going to try the propaganda.ge, and we're going to see you on the next session. I really encourage you to stay, and let's talk more about the propaganda.